Learn English. Hello, everyone. Number 1, Jennifer has to go to an ATM. What does that mean? Correct. Number 2, will Bob eat a piece? Yeah, that's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob goes to an ATM every Friday. ATM. An ATM is a machine where people can get money. Now change it to last Friday. What did Bob do? He went to an ATM last Friday. What will he do next Friday? He will go to an ATM next Friday. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write ATM up here in the top left corner. We say to get cash from an ATM. Down here, CTY1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 4 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. A T M ATM. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. I need one piece of the puzzle. I need one piece of the puzzle. Of. I need one piece of the puzzle. This means a piece that belongs to the puzzle. I need one piece of the puzzle. Now change it to a question. Do you need one piece of the puzzle? Now let's make a flashcard for of. Please make a card like this. Write of up here in the top left corner. For example, a piece of cake means a piece from the cake. GW1 means grammar word level 1. Over here the number 76 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. When we speak slowly, we say of. But when we speak quickly, it's just a piece of cake. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer has to go to an ATM. Why? Correct. Number 2, will Bob eat a piece of fish? That's right. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, pain. Is that good or bad? Bad, yeah. This is when you have a problem in your body. Number 2, to be mild. Mild is kind of like in the middle, not strong. And number 3, the milk will cost $10. We use that when we buy things. Today is Thursday, October 9th. Show number 2, 3, 4. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.